Welcome, friends. This is the fourth and last part of the video about existentialism. In Waiting for Godot, let's take a start. Meanings of existentialism in Waiting for Godot. Simplest definition of existentialism is that humans define their own meaning in life and try to make rational decisions despite existing in an irrational universe. Above said definition can be divided into three parts. Universe is irrational. Humans' existence in it, and humans define meanings of life with rational decisions. If so, then Waiting for Godot frankly promotes theory of existentialism. Estragon and Vladimir are existing in a rational world, and they have defined meanings of their lives, i.e., waiting for Godot. He would come and answer them. They are loyal to their purpose, even otherwise. If that is not their purpose, then Samuel Beckett intimates us that instead of waiting for Godot, one should set purpose of his life, and existentialism also suggests the same. Existentialism deals with individual existence, freedom, and choice. Waiting for Godot presents the same notion due to which it is called a play that advocates theory of existentialism. Suffices to say that there are two aspects of the play through which it can be seen. Firstly, it shows theme of despair and nihilism. Secondly, Waiting for Godot promotes philosophy of existentialism. However, majority of the dialogues, settings, actions, useless actions, reveal that existentialism is the main theme of Waiting for Godot. This is the end of the topic. The links of other parts of this video are in the description. Check the description and watch them.